In this aid, we will voice our very own and market's viewpoint on any Nexo future while talking about Nexo cost gauge for 2023 and then some, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. If it's not too much trouble, in a real sense remember that you ought to really believe this and any for the most part other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything truly is an unpleasant undertaking. In every practical sense, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Nexo, which is very critical. Presently, we should head into it in an especially large manner. Before we dive profound into the Nexo value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that any Nexo really is an excellent speculation or not. For what reason will any Nexo especially succeed or explicitly fall flat, or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop? We should rapidly truly toss a look at what especially is any Nexo and its to-date history, which for the most part is genuinely critical. What is Nexo, as opposed to prevalent thinking? Nexo really is a for the most part remarkable loaning stage that permits you to procure revenue on your cryptographic money ventures, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking without a doubt. Loan costs for the most part change by dissemination strategy and coin. Yet you can hope to procure somewhere in the range of 6% and 12% APR in a kind of significant manner. As a matter of fact, Nexo in every practical sense is situated in Switzerland, which sort of makes it genuinely less powerless against expanding US, or so they especially thought. Guideline of crypto loaning stages. Nexo likewise permits you to truly take out credits in view of how much digital money and essentially your record without selling commonly your coins and repurchasing them in a genuinely significant manner. Financing costs for credits fundamentally start at 5.90% APR in an especially huge manner. However, you can't as of now basically purchase or generally sell digital currencies through the Nexo stage. The crypto investment account supplier in a real sense offers a genuinely high return strategy for financial backers to especially bring in cash on inactive coins and fiat, which really is very huge. How does the Nexo genuinely token respond, which really is very critical? Nexo essentially was made during the ICO and dispersed to the group and sort of early adopters in an especially significant manner. The firm offers up to 30% of its benefits with Nexo holders in a very large manner. The Nexo essentially token supports the credit and store biological system. Holding the truly token qualifies purchasers for a 30% portion of organization benefits, similar to a profit in a truly significant manner. Nexo claims it fundamentally has paid more than $9 million to token holders beginning around 2018. Or so they generally thought. The really token likewise explicitly has a fundamentally couple of advantages for digital money premium record clients. In the case of holding Nexo, clients can, one in a for the most part significant manner, procure an extra 2% APY on their stores, bringing stablecoins up to 12% and other digital currencies to 8%, showing that in this aid, we will voice our by and large own and market's perspective on Nexo future while talking about Nexo cost figure for 2023 and then some, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. 2. Showing how guideline of crypto loaning stages. Nexo additionally permits you to basically take out advances in view of how much digital currency and actually your record without selling your coins and repurchasing them, which in a real sense is very huge. Get 5.9% for Nexo's moment crypto credit lines, or so they thought. Other digital money premium record stages by and large have comparable tokens. Celsius especially has Cell, Crypto.com truly has Crow, which most certainly is genuinely critical. They generally appear to truly be in a real sense means to secure and boost commonly early adopters to utilize the stage and generally hold the truly token. Nexo value expectation for the genuinely next 10 days in a sort of huge manner. The for the most part entire crypto world truly is on an edge of an essentially complete breakdown in a fundamentally significant manner. Bitcoin fundamentally has fallen 75% from its record-breaking extremely high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in a sort of significant manner. At the point when sort of add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon in every way that really matters is dinky, and there will commonly be more blood in the city of the crypto town, showing how genuinely other digital currency premium record stages have comparable tokens. Celsius basically has Cell, Crypto.com sort of has Crow, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Financial backers generally are selling unsafe resources and moving into substantially more certainly stable business sectors, showing how before we dig kind of profound into the Nexo value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Nexo especially is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Nexo for the most part succeed or truly come up short, or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop? we should rapidly truly toss a look at what is Nexo and its to-date history, which in a real sense is very huge. Crypto explicitly is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe for the most part play and thus the offer off, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Our algo still sees some sort of green in 2023, particularly in the kind of second piece of the year, showing that sort of procure an extra 2% APY on their stores, bringing stablecoins up to 12% and kind of other digital currencies to 8%, exhibiting that in this aid, we will voice our essentially own and market's viewpoint on any Nexo future while examining Nexo cost estimate for 2023 and then some, really in spite of prevalent thinking. This in a real sense is really reflected in our 2023 forecasts in an unobtrusive way. At the present time, Bitcoin basically has to explicitly find a base before we can move in the genuinely inverse bearing and especially alter the course in an essentially enormous manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will fundamentally begin to basically do likewise. We explicitly have seen this situation many certainly times in the far off and later history, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Our cost expectation model in a real sense is negative for the sort of next 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which sort of is genuinely critical. We really expect whales and extremely other most certainly greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Or so they in a real sense thought. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each task. So the especially token likewise basically has a really couple of advantages for digital currency premium record clients in an exceptionally significant manner. Basics that we assess basically are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical sort of potential, and a few exceptionally other really exclusive elements created in our crypto lab in a significant way. 2023 0510 plus 3.47% $0 7231 2023 05 112.63% $0 6805 2023 05 121.86% $0 6858 2023 05 132.73% $0 6798 2023 05 144.00% $0 6709 2023 05 153.55% $0 6741 2023 05 164.36% $0 6684 2023 05 176.94% $0 6504 2023 05 182.87% $0 6788 2023 05 190.24% $0 6972 2023 05 202.92% 67 cents Nexo value expectation 2023 R4